Hello, everybody. My name is Jay. I'm one of the top-rated freelancers on Upwork. I'm also an Excel expert. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Excel template. This is a dashboard template that we are talking about. Let's go ahead and see how it works. So I'm going to start my screen share now. In this dashboard is a sales dashboard, which is having 4 tabs. As you can see, the overview tab, weekly product count tab, daily product count tab, and a comparison tab. So on the overview tab, we have, of course, over here, we have the slicer for month. We can also add multiple filters to filter out the data, and that absolutely depends on the data that you will be providing it to us. So as you can see, and these numbers are dummy numbers. As you can see, it's April 2024. We also have data for May 2024, June 24, July 2024. But yeah, I'm recording this video in the month of April. All this data is a fake data. It's just the template that I've taken to put in the data. That's how it's working. All right, moving ahead. These are the numbers. As you can see, these are week by week comparison. This is 1st of April, then 8th of April, 15, 22nd, 29, and so on. All these dates are Mondays. But depending upon the requirement, we can change it. This is the monthly comparison, March, April, and May. 3 months of comparison, as you can see. In the month of March, we only have a March. We don't have a comparison because this dashboard is made in such a way that we are trying to, showcase or represent in a specific way. Now, moving ahead, we have the top call drivers. So this is a call center based data, but it depends upon the data. Data can change, and all these details would be absolutely get changed depending upon the data. So these are the top call drivers. These are weekly, these are monthly. Then we have the new orders, new order call count. We have the weekly cancellations, weekly sale closed, upsell confusion, shipment calls, product inquiry, and this is the daily sale closed counts. We have sale close and of course the percentage of sale closed in regards to the total amount in the month of April. Moving ahead, we have the weekly comparison. So yeah, these are weekly comparisons, of course, but we would also see product wise. This weekly comparison was for the top call drivers. Over here, we have the product count. Now, as you can see right over here, we have week by week. We have the one of the product, then it's percentage, as well as we have 6 to 7 products in this LOB. So we are showcasing product wise trend, I would say. Moving on, we have the product daily count. This is something similar, but this is based on a daily count. As you can see, there is a dip down and probably there were no calls during this period, which is why we don't have calls. Moving on, after daily comparison, we have a comparison. Weekly comparison for the top call driver versus the call count. These are all the top call drivers. As you can see, product inquiry, return products, new orders, cancellation, refund, sale close, shipment, upsell confusion. And this line is showcasing the total count of calls each week. And the call count for each of these what do you say, the top call drivers. This is the weekly sale closed versus the product type. So we have the weekly sales versus all these products. We have sale close numbers. This big bar is the sale close, and then we have the product wise. Similarly for each of these indicators. The description tab, I guess description tab showcases all the definition wise everything, which means what, and so on. I guess this should be very much helpful. And yeah, if you have any queries, I know the data in any of the dashboard in any of the business is different, and it's a custom work. So if you have any questions before we jump into an actual contract, please feel free to drop me a message. If you have a different requirement, absolutely, this is just a demonstration product. This dashboard is a demonstration, and every single dashboard would be different, and that will be a custom made. Looking forward to speaking to you once again. You have a great day ahead, and bye for now.